Dina with Lularoe Boersma. Come find me on Facebook. I'm a blast, I promise. Today we are going to talk about sizing and styling of the Cassie skirt. The Cassie is a wonderful skirt, nice and stretchy. It has a yoga waistband. The seam is actually right here, so you can see there's a few inches there for that yoga band. And that most of them do have really good stretch to them. You can see it does have a little bit of length to it, so it does hit the knee when wearing it at your waist. But you can really wear it at any level of your waist, and you can even wear it at your hips for a longer look. So I'm going to go over some things about the Cassie because it's a wonderful piece and people are really afraid to try it because it's a skirt. So I have it currently paired with a Randy. If you have not watched my Randy video, go for it. The Randy is my favorite piece, and so I talk about the sizing on a separate video. With the Cassie, they do run true to size. For example, I'm a size like a 6'7" dress, and this is a small, which is where I fall on the sizing chart. I can actually size down in a lot of Cassies depending how the fit I want because of that stretch. So it gives you some extra variety there. So right now I just have a very casual look. I have this Cassie with the Randy. It's more laid back, it's more casual. You can still wear it to the office, but you can also wear it to your little boy's t-ball game, out grocery shopping, church acceptable. And then you can easily change the look by simply tucking in the top. You can pair it with flats, you can pair it with a nice pair of slim heels, you can pair it with a pair of Chuck Taylors, whatever works. So this just kind of adds a little bit of a different look to it. It makes this part longer and shows more of that beautiful skirt available. So I'm going to change into a different outfit so you guys can see a different style. I'm going to put the Cassie with a different kind of top so you can see what the look actually changes to. Like I said, there's a lot of things to look forward to with the Cassie. So I will be right back in 1 second. So now I have the Cassie, another small, same size I was wearing last time, paired with an extra small Perfect Tee. If you haven't watched my Perfect Tee video, go find it. It talks about sizing and styling in there as well. So the Perfect Tee has the A-frame look to it, so it creates these pleats naturally. And so it gives you a little bit more of a professional, kind of a dress-up look to the Cassie. So something you can do to add a little bit more flair to it is simply put a belt around your Perfect Tee, and it gives you an even more pleated fun look. And you can blouse the Perfect and make it change the cut around your hip line. So I add the belt, you can see it kind of added a little bit more of that flair with the pleats. If I pull the front of it up in a blouse just a little bit, it then pulls the front of the shirt up, kind of shows more of that Cassie, but it's still long enough in the back to where it covers your backside, but you can always blouse up that back as well. So that is another option with the Cassie, 2 pieces and 2 different looks. Once again, you can tuck this in. It creates a whole nother look that way. So there's 3 outfits with just 2 pieces. I have a couple more plans with the Cassie up my sleeve, so let me do a quick wardrobe change and I will be right back. And looky there, I now have the Cassie on as a shirt. So I simply just pulled it up, paired it with some denim. The length does hit right at the hip line, and then I covered up with a kimono. It doesn't have to be a Lularoe kimono, obviously, but you can do Monroe's work fine, Sarah's work fine, Lindsay's are great. So this is the small Cassie that I was wearing in the first clip of the video, pulled up to a top, and then I'm covering my bra straps with the kimono. So it's still a nice classy look. It feels great. It's not like constricting or like super tight. You can size up. This is a small. Like I said, I'm usually a small shirt or size 6'7" dress size. So that just makes it a cute little fun option, on a spring day when you have a beautiful spring floral Cassie and you're like, oh, that's great, let's do it. It just gives you another option. So I have one more little trick up my sleeve with the Cassie. I will be right back. Hey, I'm back. I'm wearing an extra small Carly with a large Cassie. So yes, it is a little loose, but all I did was I rolled down the waistband. So it just kind of created a double band there. So in my group, I'll post outfits all the time, and I come up with really great outfits. Not gonna, toot my own horn there. You can see for yourself when you join the group. But I'll pair a Carly and a Cassie together. And everybody's like, Dina, how do you wear those two together? The Carly's so long. So you pull the Carly up into a high knot, and then it gives you this beautiful long flow in the back, and it brings it up to this V. A lot of girls will like to wear it right in the middle, so then it cuts open to the Cassie. I personally like it on the hip. So it adds that extra little flair to your Carly and gives you another styling option with pieces that could already be in your closet. So another thing you can do with these exact pieces, I'm just simply going to unknot my Carly, okay? I'm gonna slide the Cassie off. So here's my Carly, okay? And then I'm going to put the Cassie on as a scarf. So it turns it into a winter piece. Looky there. Scarves are so popular in the winter time and in the fall, and they come out with some gorgeous, gorgeous colors that you can wear all year round. Like I said, this is a large, so it gives you that nice like infinity loop to it. You can always, you know, double scarf it if you like size up to a 3X, so kind of give you some more length. You know, do a double wrap, but it gives you that extra look with the it gives you an extra accessory, so you can pair, you know, with a denim top and denim jeans top, and then the Cassie as a scarf. So there's just so many different tips and tricks you can do with the Cassie. Who would have ever thought you could wear Cassie, a skirt, as a scarf, or even a top? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you come join the group Lularoe Dina Boersma on Facebook. You can follow me on Instagram. I also have Twitter and Pinterest. So it'd be great to meet you. Watch the other videos, come shop and get to know me in the group. And I will see everybody later. Have a great day, guys.